Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mixed bean salad using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. This recipe is perfect for a quick side dish or a light lunch, and it comes together in minutes. You'll love how fresh and flavorful it is, making it a fantastic addition to any meal or gathering. It's truly a no-fuss recipe. For our salad, you'll need 3 15-ounce cans of your favorite beans, like kidney, cannellini, and garbanzo beans. Make sure to rinse and drain them thoroughly. Next, finely chop 1/2 cup of red onion and 1/2 cup of a colorful bell pepper. These fresh vegetables add a wonderful crunch and vibrant flavor to our easy mixed bean salad. It's all about simple, fresh components. Now, let's make our simple dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Pour this flavorful dressing over your prepared beans and vegetables in a large bowl. Gently toss everything until it's well coated. For the best flavor, cover your mixed bean salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or cilantro for an extra burst of freshness. This easy mixed bean salad is a fantastic, healthy option for any occasion, from a quick lunch to a summer barbecue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.